Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen not responding to touches on Infinix GT 50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset settings. Enter phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen not responding to touches on Infinix GT 50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.